Hello everyone. Today we discuss about the journal entry. Journal entry is a very important topic in accounting. Journal entry. Today we know what are the journal entry in each term and in each type of transactions. First, we know about the what are the entries of capital transactions and drawings transaction. Capital and drawings is very important terms in accounting. First, capital transactions. Second is drawings transactions. Capital and drawing are two account of personal account of a proprietor. Personal account of a proprietor. First, we know the journal entry in case of a capital transaction. To know about the journal entry of a capital transaction, we take an example. Then Raju started a business in cash rupees 50,000. Raju started a business in cash rupees 50,000. In this transaction, there are two accounts involved. One is Raju and second is cash. First, Raju is a nature of a personal account. Personal account here. In this transaction, Raju is the giver. According to the principle of personal account, debit the receiver and credit the giver. So here Raju is the giver. So Raju account credit. We credit the Raju account. And second is the cash. Cash is a nature of a real account. In this transaction, cash comes into business. According to the principle of a real account, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. And here cash comes in. So we debit the cash account. Because cash comes in and debit what comes in. So we debit the cash account. Then overall we know about the which account is debit and which account is credit. Raju account credit and cash account debit. And second is in case of drawing transaction, what are the journal entry? We take an example. Same things. Raju take rupees 10,000 from business for his personal use. Then in this transaction, as far as the two accounts involved, one is Raju and second is cash. The 10,000 as like cash taken by the Raju. So here Raju is a nature of a personal account. Here Raju is the receiver. According to the principle of personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. So here Raju account is the debit. We debit the Raju account. And cash is the nature of a real account. Here cash goes out. according to the principle of a real account, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. So in this case cash goes out, so we credit the cash account. Capital and drawings both are opposite of them. Capital is the opposite of a drawings is the opposite of a capital. In capital transaction, Raju is the owner. In capital, Raju is credit, and in drawings, Raju is debit. In capital transaction, cash is debit. In drawing transaction, cash is credit. Draw a format of a journal entry. Then okay. First column is date. Second particular ledger folio, debit amount which in rupees, credit amount which in rupees. So first we fill the date column. In which date the transaction happened. Suppose the capital transaction happened 1st January 1st. In particular, we put which account debit and which account credit. In this transaction, after the explanation, we know Raju account credit and cash account debit. So first write cash account debit and put the debit amount in debit column, rupees 50,000. Then to Raju's capital account to Raju's capital account and put the credit amount in credit column, rupees 50,000. At the end of a journal entry, you put a narration that business started in cash, rupees 50,000. Then draw a line. Next, we enter the journal entry of drawings. Suppose it happened 5th January. So put the date in date column, and in drawings transactions, Raju account debit and cash account credit. Raju account debit and cash account credit. So Raju refers to drawings. Then here drawings account debit rupees 10,000 to cash, rupees 10,000, and give a narration that rupees 10,000 taken by owner for his personal use. Then overall we know what are the journal entry of a capital and drawings transactions. Both journal entry of transactions opposite direction. In capital transactions, cash account debit to capital account, and in drawings transactions, drawings account debit to cash account. Thank you.